That way.
I'm just gonna
Bless you. I'm Victor, wildlife photographer and the voice behind Feather Frame.
I'm Serge. I run a production company and specialise in drone piloting. Join us for epic animal moments, strange behaviours, and plenty of laughs along the way.
Welcome to Wildlife BTS. Funny thing happens when you spend enough time photographing wildlife. The trick is usually to stop chasing the photograph you imagined and start paying attention to the one that's actually happening in front of you. But every now and then, nature throws you a different lesson. This was one of those days. We came back to a location we'd visited before. There had been repeated sightings of several interesting species and we wanted to test some new ideas. Drone footage, ground cameras, a better workflow, a stronger story. The plan was solid. Nature, unfortunately, didn't read the script. The first sign was the silence. No, not really literal silence, but a cormorant drifted through, a coot was busy raising a rapidly growing chick, life was happening, just not the life we'd come for.
We never see anything on this bloody field, do we? Yep, that's it. Where is it?
That way. There, both of them. 2 kites in the area. Finally something worthy being out. Then a pair of red kites appeared, briefly, just long enough to remind us they existed. Then they vanished. What's up?
Can't see them. They've gone off that way, man.
They gotta come back. Incredibly frustrating. The kestrel hovered for a moment, looked around and promptly left. Honestly, I can't blame it. And that's the part nobody really talks about. Wildlife photography has a habit of making us feel more important than we actually are. We study behavior, we learn habits, we improve our field craft, and all of that really matters. But at the end of the day, the animals still get a vote. And they're under no obligation to appear, and certainly no obligation to cooperate with whatever grand cinematic vision we've cooked up the night before. And that's a difficult thing to accept, because we're conditioned to think that every outing should produce something. But nature doesn't work like that. So this time we captured call. Sometimes the lesson is observation, sometimes it's patience, and occasionally the lesson is failure. Not dramatic failure.
One day I'm just gonna spend the whole here.
Just the quiet sort. And that's alright. Because this isn't really a story about a coot, or a kestrel, or a pair of red kites. It's a story about turning up, about accepting that some days belong to you, and some days belong entirely to the wildlife. Today belong to them. This episode is a little different. It's not about success. It's about the reality that sits underneath every photograph you've ever seen. The uneventful hours, the failed attempts, the stories that weren't ready to be told. And perhaps that's the part of the story too.
Today is not been a great day.
Not all days are perfect. You gotta be prepared that nothing's gonna happen.
Prepared to fail.
And look forward for the next one. Bless you.
Should we start again?
Yeah, in the next video. See you in 2 weeks. Bye.